Hi everyone, I'm Coach LV. Problema nyo rin ba ang inyong puso at inyong bilbil? For today's video, share ko sa inyo ang aking tatlong paboritong exercises na ginagawa para mag-focus sa ating abs. So, siguraduhin nyo lang na walang space dito sa inyong likuran. I-vacuum ang tiyan para mawala ang space. Or kaya naman ay iangat ang inyong ulo. So, for our first exercise, ang ating knee hug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Next exercise natin ang ating toe reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. At ang aking pangatlong paboritong exercise, ang ating knee to elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Other side. 1, 2, 3, inhale, exhale. 4, 5, mas may engage ninyo yung core kung nakaangat ang inyong ulo. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Ulitin nyo lang ating exercises 3 hanggang 4 na beses. Do this at least 3 times a week. Samahan ng healthy balanced diet, calorie deficit na kinakailangan. I'm Coach LV. I'll see you in my next one.